Okay, we're doing another unboxing. Picked up a really cheap scope, or a red dot, the Feyachi reflex sight. Normally it's cheap anyway. I think it's normally $29. They had it on sale for $21, and I had $6.70 credit on there from one of the apps that you can play games and it pays you. So I used it on there, and I ended up getting it for like $12 or $13. I can't remember exactly, but I figured for that much, I'd just go ahead and grab one. But the get it to focus here. All right, it has 3 brightness settings, 4 selectable reticles, fits 20mm Picatinny rails, multi-coated lens, and aviation aluminum. But for $30, you can't expect too much. After I clicked order on it, it was already too late. I got the black, but I seen that they had other colors. I may have got the tan Cerakote one. But let's see what's inside, what it comes with. It's a little book. Cloth to wipe the lens. Battery. CR2032. Some Allen wrenches. Okay, that's all that's in the box. Feels kind of heavy. Okay, has a little cover. Hold on, very good. Okay, here's your switch from dot to circle, dot with circle around it, to regular crosshairs, to crosshairs with a circle, maybe a dot in it, I can't tell yet. Okay, green. Let's see. 5 settings of green. Looks like 5 settings of red. Kind of grindy. Feels like it's made pretty good, but I mean, for $30, looks like the laser's already on. It is. Okay, the R and the G is off. Let's see here. All right, let's see if we can get it in the camera. Anyway, that's the crosshairs with the circle around it. Can't really see it too well. This is just the crosshairs. Circle and a dot. And just a dot. And same thing for red. Go to the brightest. It's red 5. Button stiff. Pretty neat. I don't know. I think I like the crosshair the best. But anyway, let's mount it onto something, see what it looks like. I wasn't, use it for any kind of competition or nothing. $30. It couldn't be too great. Let's shut it off here. Let's put it on. One second, let me grab something, find something to put it on. All right, let's put it on the Diddy Deluxe here. Let me back the camera up. All right, this is the G-Force GF25 12 gauge, and I was just now thinking this came on straight out of the box, so it has a battery in it, and it come with an extra battery, so that's pretty cool. All right, these are the 2 Allen wrenches that it came with. Got them tight. All right, just loosen these up. Figure out where you're going. Make sure you're in between the 2 grooves. All right. That's all there is to these. It looks pretty good on there. I don't know if it's something I would 100% rely on, but I'll take it out and play with it, see if it holds 0 or not. I don't know if I could still use my flip ups with it or not. Let me move it around so I can see. You can still see the flip ups through it, no problem. It's actually really clear. It's the sight for those are pretty high up, so you're almost looking through the top of it, so not interfering with it at all. Might be a pretty good fit for this gun as long as it can hold 0. It looks better than I thought it was going to, but for $12-13, figured why not. I don't use this gun very much anyway, so mainly just be for looks anyway, but if it does function, that'll be pretty neat. Let me look and see if the green and the green's still blurry to me or not, where I have that astigmatism. I was wondering if different colors would work better. Yeah, still pretty blurry. Still haven't tried blue, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be like all the others and not work for me. Need to get my eyes fixed. But anyway, this was the I hope I'm saying that right, the Feyachi reflex sight. Normally $29.99. Right now it's on sale for $21.99 on Amazon. And they had multiple colors. Kind of like black, gray, and may have been just like this. Kind of like a tan Cerakote color. But $21. why not try it out? I'll do take it to a shoot next time I go, and let you know then if it holds up and holds zero or not. Looks pretty decent. This was a little stiff, but easy to get to. Feels like it switches pretty easy once you got it mounted on there instead of just in the hand. I like that it has just hard turn off on and off instead of like my Hollow Sun or the CV Life holding it and double tapping and all that. I didn't pay attention where the battery went. It must go underneath. But, oh no, right here. I'd say probably straight underneath of this, maybe. But the comes with an extra battery too, so not bad. $21.99. Get you a red dot, a reflex sight on Amazon. Thanks for watching.